is ice cube, guys. Guys, this is a ice cube. I will get this waters, guys. I will make ice candy, guys. Guys, I will going to make a ice candy. Guys, wait a second. Guys, the coffee ice candy is ready, guys. Bye, guys. See you next time. I make coffee ice candy, guys. Bye, guys. Guys, today, this is I'm making a coffee. Guys. Guys, this is a scissors, guys, and I will get this copy. This is a copy, guys.
Yung katulong mo naman ay bata lang, ay yung inilaya ay bata lang. Dito po sarang ganyan mo. Bata lang. Kung sarang at pag hindi nakatapon-tapon.
Guys, this is a copy. And this is his. This is a spoon and this is coffee, guys. I will make coffee gel. I will go making a. Hey Tasha, are you excited for coffee jelly, guys?
Apat.
For coffee ice candy. Tasha, are you excited? I'm making a coffee ice candy, guys.
Kakabot ba yung menu? Nalala ko yung asawa mo, may pasok na yan. Ayaw. Siyempre mas ano ate.
Guys,
Gusto niya sigurong alagaan.
you're excited.
Buti kang bibigyan.
Don't cry, don't cry.
Dapat may claim na.
Don't cry, Tasi. Don't cry, Tasha.
Namin dyan ha.
Don't cry. Guys, I will go with the freezer. Guys.